Hey, hi everyone, this is Prashant. I'm back with the new video. In today's lesson, I have some long sentences for you that would help you to improve your communication. And with the help of these sentences, you will be able to learn new word on daily basis. Along with that, you will also be able to practice lots of sentences and phrase related to daily life. So this will definitely improve your English. So now let's have a look at the sentences. उसने अपने अभिमान के वजह से किसी से भी मदद नहीं मांगी. He didn't ask for help from anyone because of his pride. Or you can say his pride didn't allow him to ask for help. मुझे परिस्थिति के बदतर होने का डर है. I am afraid of the situation getting worse. Or you can say I fear the situation getting worse. मैं सपने में भी नहीं सोच सकता था कि तुमसे यहाँ मुलाकात होगी. I could not even dream that I will meet you here. Or you can say I never dreamed that I would meet you here. मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा था कि वह कहना क्या चाहता था. I could not understand what he wanted to say. I couldn't make out what he wanted to say. हमारा स्वास्थ्य हमारी सबसे कीमती संपत्ति होती है. Our health is our most precious asset. Our health is our most precious possession. वह कल पार्टी में नहीं आया. He did not attend the party last night. Or you can say he did not show up at the party last night. डॉक्टर ने उसे सिगरेट कम पीने को कहा है. The doctor asked him to smoke less. Or you can say the doctor suggested to cut down on smoking. लगातार 3 दिनों से बारिश हो रही है. It has been raining continuously from last 3 days. Or you can say it has been raining for 3 consecutive days. And you can say it has been raining for 3 days on end. मैं इस शोर को और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I cannot tolerate this noise anymore. Or you can say I cannot put up with this noise any longer. वह थोड़ी ताज़ा हवा खाने के लिए बाहर गया. He went outside for a breath of fresh air. Or you can say he went outside to respire in fresh air. उन्होंने पुस्तकालय को बहुत सारी किताबें दी. They gave a lot of books to the library. Or you can say they furnished the library with many books. मैंने रहने की बजाय जाने का इरादा किया. I choose to leave instead of staying behind. Or you can say I intend to leave rather staying. उस लड़की ने अपने आंसुओं को रोकने की बहुत कोशिश की. The girl tried hard to stop her tears. Or you can say the girl tried hard to hold back her tears. So these are the some sentences that you can use in your daily life and can improve your communication. I'll be back with the new video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, and thank you for watching.